In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack in just 5 minutes. Slack is an incredibly powerful tool for team communication and collaboration, bringing all your conversations, files, and tools into one place. Whether you're working with a small team or managing communications across a large organization, Slack offers a streamlined way to keep everyone connected. Let's dive in and get you started with setting up and using Slack efficiently. First, to embark on this journey, head over to the Slack website. Once there, you'll notice the Sign In option, which you'll click on to get started. At this point, if you don't already have a Slack account, you'll need to create one. You can easily sign up using your company email, a Google account, or even your Apple ID. This flexibility ensures that you can use whichever account is most convenient for you. Once you're signed up and signed in, the next step is to create a workspace if you're starting from scratch. You'll find the Create a Workspace option clearly highlighted. A workspace is essentially your team's hub on Slack and will contain all your channels and conversations. Now think about how you'd like to name your workspace. It could be your company name or any other relevant title that reflects your team's identity and purpose. Once you've settled on a name, type it in and click on Next to proceed. Now that your workspace is taking shape, it's time to personalize it a bit. You'll be prompted to add your name and profile photo. This is how your colleagues will recognize you in Slack, so choose a photo that represents you professionally and fill in your name. Next, you can invite coworkers to join your workspace by entering their email addresses. If you're not ready to do so at this moment, feel free to skip this step and invite them later. Slack makes it simple to add members whenever you're ready. After setting up your new workspace, you have the option to start with the limited free version. Click Start with the limited free version, which will give you a great start with enough features to explore Slack without any immediate costs. Once inside your workspace, it's important to configure your preferences to suit your working style. On the lower left side, click on your photo to open a drop-down menu, then select Preferences. Within this menu, you'll find various options to tweak how Slack provides notifications, both sound and visually. Real-time alerts will keep you updated without being overwhelming. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Slack for all your communication needs. Explore creating channels to organize conversations by topic or project, chat directly with colleagues, and integrate tools that you use every day. Slack is your new digital workspace, offering a seamless way to collaborate, no matter where you or your team are in the world. Happy Slacking!